Xfinity Stream is a streaming service from Xfinity that lets you watch live TV, on demand shows, and cloud DVR content on different devices. If you don't have a direct home internet connection, you can still stream using the Xfinity Wi-Fi Pass, which provides access to thousands of public hotspots. By connecting your TV or streaming device to one of these hotspots and signing into the Xfinity Stream app, you can start watching your channels just like a regular cable setup. The process is simple and usually takes only a few minutes once everything is connected properly. Step 1. Connect your phone to the Xfinity Wi-Fi Pass hotspot and sign in with your Xfinity account. Step 2. On your smart TV or streaming device like Roku streaming device or Amazon Fire TV stick, download the Xfinity Stream app. Step 3. Open the app and sign in with your Xfinity ID and password. Step 4. Make sure your TV device is connected to the same Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot network. Step 5. After signing in, start watching live TV, on-demand content, or DVR recordings directly on your TV.